I put a new coolant tank on my car. It's a Vauxhall Meriva 1.4 2011. And the thing with these coolant reservoirs is that the plastic holders that hold it in place actually become very brittle. I don't know if you can see it there on here. That's what it should look like. They see to hold it in place. Well, what's happened with my previous coolant tank is that the actual tank just kept on over bumps and the humps on the road. It kept banging like this. Then a small hole appeared underneath because there's the brake master cylinder just underneath, and it's directly on top of that. And you can see here it was hitting the brake master cylinder of my car, and eventually there was a coolant leak. And every time I come in, the coolant went down. I had no idea what was going on until I felt underneath from here, and there was coolant. Lo and behold, there was coolant dripping out from there. I tried the various techniques with super glue and carbonate, or the sodium carbonate, soda, baking soda, but it didn't hold for too long. There was a crack in there. So basically, there was a cap on here which holds it in place. I took that off, I put it on the back, and this one just solved it just with a tie here like this. And I got a new cap for it. This solved a big problem, because once I got the new one in, I had no idea what was going on until I realised it's just banging around a lot. I took the plug. I give advice. The advice I would give: take the plug off from there, put it in the back, put a tie in the front. That would hold it virtually stable all the time. And for added protection, I put some black tape and a piece of cardboard in there, just in case. I don't know why I done that, but I put it there just so it's maybe superstition. They won't happen again. But this was for years I had no idea what was happening. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.